Hello guys, and welcome to my Java tutorial. Today we will be learning how to install Java on our PC and start working with it. First of all, we need to install Eclipse, an integrated development environment which will be the workspace for our Java programs. So we search for Eclipse on Google. In case you don't find it, I'll leave the link in the description of the video. Then we click on Learn More button under the Install Your Favorite Desktop IDE packages. Click on Download 2023-09 or the version you are seeing, and we select for which operating system we want to install Eclipse. I'm currently using Windows 10, but the procedure is very similar also with other operating systems. After the installer is downloaded, we open it. Then we need to select the packages to install. Here we will select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Then we click on Install. After installation ended, we can launch Eclipse. Afterwards, we have to select the location of our workspace, which is the place where all the project will be saved. Click on Launch. Now that Eclipse is open, we can close the welcome screen and get started with programming. To create a Java project, we need to click on File, New, and Java Project. Here we enter the name of our project. And here we can select which version of Java runtime environment we will be working on. In our case, Eclipse comes pre-installed with JRE 17, but any other newer version is fine too. Next, uncheck the Create Module info.java file. Click on Next and on Finish. Now we created our Java project called Test. If we open it by clicking the arrow on its left, we can see the src folder. This is the folder where our Java files for this project will be located. Right-click on the src folder, select New and click on Class. After that, insert the name of the Java class. And check the public static void main string args, so that our file will be executable. Click on Finish. Now we can finally write our first Java program. Let's write a simple program that prints hello world on the screen. Inside the curly brackets of public static void main and string args, let's write system.out.println, and inside a pair of parentheses, let's write double quote hello world double quote, and end the statement with a semicolon. System.out.println is the function that allows us to write what we insert in the parentheses on screen. And we've written hello world between double quotes to indicate to the program that it's a string. Then we click here to execute our program. We select the checkbox Always Save Resources before launching and click OK. As you can see in the console, the program has written hello world, so our program was a success. Thank you for following the tutorial and see you soon.